Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one from South Korea. This was sent in by a reader named Donald. Thanks, man. This is Atomy with their potato vegetable noodle from South Korea. And yeah, I'm gonna crack it open and get it cooking because this sucker's gotta cook for 4.5 minutes. So, and I am way behind in my day, as it were. So, noodle block in the pot, cooking up. There we go. And lots of fun stories, anecdotes, and fun. Do you like the fun? Do you? Alright. Get in there. Cook, damn you, cook. Only 4 minutes to go. And it's submerged completely. So what is new with you, humans? All sorts of craziness and madness here. Look at that. Veg powder. Gosh. Sick. Lots of sick. On, was it last Monday? I think. We, went to bed really late. We didn't get to sleep until like around 10:15 or so. Then we woke up around 12:30. Or I woke up first because poor Miles was sick and I was getting puked on. Wow. That's one way to wake up. Let me tell you. That's it's not the way I like to start my day. But so he took a week off from school. He got the norovirus, which basically is the same thing as gastroenteritis. It's basically like you get this thing and it grabs a hold of you, wrings you out like a dish rag, and then some. Yeah, poor kid. Speaking of poor kid, that was Monday. And then on Wednesday, I get a message. My son Andy fell on his knee, busted a little bit off of his femur. He's in the ER. And then that night, I was talking to the doctor because he's having surgery the next day. It's like, oh my God. Oh, unfun. I can't believe it. That sounds horrible. But he went through it and he's on the mend, but it's like 6 weeks. Don't put any weight on that knee. Can't like stand up and put your weight on that leg. Like, dude, I'd be going insane. And what else? Oh yeah, and then that was Thursday when he had the surgery, the same day that I ended up getting the norovirus, gastroenteritis. Fun. So I got, but I'll tell you what, I don't know if it's because of what I'm eating or my exercise routine or whatever. That was the mellowest bout of that I've ever had. So that I'm thankful for, at least. I'm really happy with that aspect of the whole ordeal. And Miles is back in school today. Andy, well, not. Mimi has a runny nose, and my wife is feeling under the weather. I'm feeling pretty dang good. I woke up at like 2:45 this morning, got 3 reviews ready. Been working on the chocolatebreak.com. That's basically, it's got all the videos from the Chocolate Break episodes. There's now published, I want to say 33. So So there's like, you can search them and stuff like that. So it's like, hey, I want to look at Nestle products. Just type in Nestle, boom. All of the Nestle stuff that we've reviewed will come up. So that's fun. We did 4 more episodes. Night before last? Yeah. So yeah, it's been crazy busy and nuts and wacky. But I think it's all about to kind of cohesively come back together. So for that, I am extremely thankful. And these noodles are done. So let's add in the sachet content, if you will. I'm going to do something a little different today that you will get to see. And I hope you enjoy learning of one of my favorite things. So, these are vegetable potato noodle. They look like... cool, it's going to stay there, but can you see it? You can. All right. Yeah, so these noodles look really, I don't know, vegetable-y, potato-y. Let's find out. And there's like a big old chunk of, it's either seaweed or green onion. I'm going with seaweed though. That's a nice ramen. It's got a nice noodle, nice gauge, all that good stuff. Now, yesterday I went to H Mart. And H Mart, if you don't have them where you're at... here, let's do this too. Broth. Nice flavor. So H Mart is a Korean grocery, like a big supermarket, right? Got them up in Canada, got them here in the U.S. And you can get all sorts of cool stuff there. Well, one thing you got to go there if you like trying different instant noodles, if you like beef, chicken, pork, things like that. Their butcher block is where it's at because you can go and get all the time. This. Look at that. That's beef. And I'm gonna bet you that this is just hot enough still to, well, maybe not. But you get where I'm going with this. It's like, this is like beef for hot pot. This is beef for Korean barbecue. This is really thin sliced beef. And not only that, this is cheap. You're looking at like, for like little bags like this, which, I mean, it's gonna be more than enough for this. I'm gonna throw it back on the heat just to be, you know, cool like that. But that'll be just enough for that bowl of noodles. God, you can, I think that one, that pack that I got yesterday was like $6.50, $7, and I got about 12 bags that size out of it, maybe more like 15. So it's like you can have beef in 15 meals for like 50 cents a pop. That's really quite good. It's tri-tip, it's thin, it's not extremely fatty, but it's, I mean, you've got the broth that already has all the umami in it already, so you're good there. And it'll add just enough fat to make the broth glisten, come to life, look happy, and la 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 la. So yeah, pretty cool. So I will let that go for just a minute. Basically, just let it come back to a boil is all it really needs to do because it's thin. And they actually have thinner sliced beef there. I mean, like what do they call it? Shabu shabu? I don't know, but it's really thin. I mean, you could use it like wonton paper, I swear. Okay. go. So we got some nice, pretty rare beef right there, or rarefied. I'm gonna throw an egg in because I think ramen really begs eggs. It begs for the eggs. Egg, please. Let's see how this one comes out. I made this one this morning. I'm hoping for a clean break, a happy break, a nice egg. Yeah, it's not bad. And I'm gonna put some mung bean sprout. We'll pretend that they're a soybean sprout because that's kind of what you find more often at the Korean grocery. Of course, spring onion. And I think I'm gonna say that's good. So, yeah, look at that. Wowie wow. Well, I've got like all this crap to get done. I've been really slow. I prepped all that stuff to throw in the freezer. So, cool. Well, to everybody who's not feeling good anywhere, hope you feel better soon. And to my family who's not feeling good, hope you feel better soon too. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.